Rove is the new brand by Anker, and today I'm going to show you how to install dashcam C1 in your car. Okay, I'm going to unbox the Rove dashcam C1 for you here. Okay, so what we've got, first of all we have our happy card. Second of all we have the Rove dashcam itself, looks great. We have the mount here. The quick starts guide. We've got the Anker charger, which is 2-port. Charging cable. And also the trim removal tool. Okay, first of all we've got the cable here. So we're going to plug this into the dashcam. Okay, secondly we need to plug into the car charger. And finally put it into the power slot. Insert micro SD card. Dashcam can process SD cards, class 10 and above. Remove the adhesive sticker and then place on your windshield. To eject, simply slide to the right. To attach dashcam, slide to the left once it has been aligned with the mount. Use the trim removal to press and hide the cable into the seams and weather stripping around the edge of the dashboard. The cable can be hidden in your car's weather strapping. Okay, we've now installed the Rove dashcam. Now simply start your engine and enjoy your driving experience with the Rove dashcam, capturing your journey.
We see the sun in the sky, we feel it all unfolding. Into the morning we'll take flight. It doesn't matter where we're going. This time is ours, and this is where we start. Right now, we know the ground we're standing on is right where we belong. This feeling that we found, it's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything now. And when the wild is calling, we'll take it all if we want it. We'll chase down every road just to see what's beyond it. This time is ours, and this is where we start. Right now, we know the ground we're standing on is right where we belong. This feeling that we found,
If you spend time on the road, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dashcam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records full HD footage with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view, capturing everything with absolute clarity. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. Rather than use a standard lithium-ion battery, the Rexing V1 camera is powered by a supercapacitor to guarantee you long-term reliability in even the most extreme temperatures. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. And sharing your footage has never been easier, thanks to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi. The Rexing app interface allows you to quickly and easily transfer your clips directly to your phone or tablet. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.